Welcome class. Today we will learn through video instructions. Feel free to clarify with the teacher or replay the video when needed. Let's start. Today we will cover chapter 2.3 to 2.4. So let's get ready your textbook for reference. There will be 3 parts to this lesson. Part 1, we will revise on solubility and we will draw graphs to enhance our skill in graph drawing. And part 2, we will have discussion on the planning experiment. And this time, you will do a peer feedback, followed by the exit ticket, after which we will do a short break before we go to a new lesson on the topic of chromatography. This will be an introduction for our next lesson. If you have time, then you can try out a short activity guided by the teacher. For our part 1, solubility, you will draw a graph based on this chart in your textbook, page 44. You may refer to your textbook for the sample, but follow the instructions here. Firstly, draw a graph based on the table. This graph paper will be given by the teacher. Take 3 minutes to study how the graph is drawn on page 45. Then you must turn away the page and try it on your own. This is a skill practice, and please try not to copy directly from the textbook. Limit yourself to take a peek not more than 3 times. After this, you may submit your graph paper to the teacher. If you still do not understand how the graph works, please write down your questions at the back of the graph paper. You may pause this video for 20 minutes. Now you take a 5 minutes break before we go to the next activity. Part 2. For planning an experiment, make sure you have this paper with you. This is the homework given before the holidays. Now you can exchange the paper with a peer. Refer to the answer and give comments for your peer using a peer feedback form. The answer and peer feedback form will be given by the teacher. Make sure you follow the instructions in the form and give accurate feedback to your friends. Giving peer feedback is a good way to learn to reflect on your own work. Hand up your feedback and your work to the teacher, and later marks will be given for both the work done and how you evaluate your peer by the teacher. This is how the answers will look like. And this is how the peer feedback form looks like. You take 20 minutes to do this activity. Next, hang in all your work and feedback form to the teacher. Now you will be given an exit ticket. The exit ticket will look like this. You will be given one of the 2 exit tickets shown here. You will be given 10 minutes to fill up this exit ticket. Fill as much as you can in 10 minutes and hand up to your teacher. You may pause this video now for the activity.